teacher. I'm 5 years old. This is my first day in prep. I was excited to get dressed in my uniform. Mum and Daddy are photographers. I am a photographer too. Last year, I was in 4-year-old kinder at Rivercrest. My dad drives me to school every day. I've always loved school and my friends and my teachers. I can't wait to meet my prep teacher. Hi.
Are you excited about school?
I don't know.
Oh, you're not sure? I'm excited to have you. I'm really excited. Show Mummy and Daddy where your bag goes. You've got a special locker with your name on it. Do you think you can go and have a look? Let's go.
I can't wait to see my best friend Zoe.
Alright, in you come.
Hi Zoe. Hi. Asha, did you realise something different about me? I lost my teeth. You lost two, I think. Yes, I did. I like maths and I want to learn multiplication.
What's the best thing that you did on the holidays?
No.
Did you go to the beach?
2 times.
2 times? Who did you go with?
My nana and pa. I'm so excited to be at Rivercrest Christian College. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey? Go home and have a rest and an icy pole.
College.